In this video, I'm going to share the inspiring story of how Maxwell struggled to improve his skills until he discovered educational content on social media. He replaced mindless scrolling with learning, engaged with experts, and applied his knowledge. Despite challenges, he stayed committed and eventually became a mentor. Hey there, my amazing friends. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your friend, Teacher Sam, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Today's story isn't just any story. It's a powerful way to boost your English skills and learn faster. As we follow Maxwell's journey, you'll discover new words and phrases in context. Storytelling is one of the best ways to improve your English naturally, helping you remember vocabulary and use it with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll not only improve your English conversation skills, sentence structure, grammar, confidence, listening, and comprehension, but you'll also learn 3 powerful moral lessons and 5 essential vocabulary words to boost your speaking skills. So, stay with me until the end. Are you ready? Let's get started. Maxwell had always wanted to improve his skills, but he felt stuck. Whether it was writing, public speaking, or technical knowledge, he struggled to find the right guidance. Traditional books and courses were overwhelming, and he often lost motivation halfway. He knew he had potential but lacked direction. One day, after yet another frustrating attempt at self-improvement, Maxwell scrolled through his phone aimlessly. That was when he stumbled upon an educational video on social media. The topic? How to improve your skills in just 10 minutes a day. The video was short, engaging, and filled with practical advice. It was a turning point. Maxwell realized that social media could be more than just entertainment. It could be a powerful tool for learning. Determined to make the most of this discovery, Maxwell restructured his social media habits. Instead of mindless scrolling, he followed pages and influencers who shared educational content. He subscribed to YouTube channels, joined Facebook groups, and followed experts on LinkedIn. Every morning, he dedicated an hour to consuming valuable content. He watched tutorials on communication skills, read insightful Twitter threads on productivity, and even joined online discussions with professionals in his field. Slowly, he began noticing a difference. He was learning faster, retaining information better, and most importantly, applying his knowledge in real life. Not everything was smooth sailing. Maxwell faced distractions along the way. Social media was still filled with tempting entertainment content, and he sometimes found himself losing focus. To stay on track, he set clear goals and created a learning schedule. He used apps to limit distractions and made notes on the lessons he learned each day. He also started engaging with the content, commenting on posts, asking questions, and even sharing what he learned. This interaction kept him motivated and reinforced his learning. Learning from social media was one thing. Applying it was another. Maxwell knew that to truly improve, he needed to put his knowledge into practice. He started writing blog posts based on what he learned, improving his writing skills day by day. He recorded short videos explaining concepts, helping him develop confidence in public speaking. He even joined virtual networking events, connecting with professionals who offered him guidance and opportunities. Before long, people began to notice his progress. His posts gained traction, his speaking skills improved, and his network expanded. Maxwell realized that education wasn't just about consuming information. It was about using it to grow. As Maxwell's skills improved, he faced new challenges. Imposter syndrome crept in, making him doubt his abilities. He also encountered criticism from skeptics who didn't believe social media could be a valuable learning tool, but Maxwell refused to give up. He reminded himself of how far he had come and focused on continuous improvement. He connected with mentors online, who reassured him that growth was a journey. He also learned to filter constructive criticism from negativity, using feedback to refine his skills further. One day, an unexpected opportunity arrived, an invitation to speak at an online seminar about leveraging social media for learning. Maxwell hesitated at first, but he remembered his journey and the knowledge he had gained. He accepted the challenge, and the experience boosted his confidence like never before. Maxwell's story didn't just end with his personal success. Seeing how much social media had helped him, he decided to pay it forward. He started creating educational content himself, sharing tips, resources, and insights with others who, like him, wanted to improve. His audience grew, and soon he was mentoring aspiring learners. Messages flooded in, people thanking him for inspiring them to use social media for self-improvement. Maxwell had gone from a frustrated learner to a mentor, proving that with the right mindset, social media could be a life-changing educational tool. Maxwell's journey was proof that learning didn't have to be traditional to be effective. The internet had made knowledge more accessible than ever, and social media was a gateway to endless learning opportunities. Through discipline, application, and engagement, Maxwell had turned social media into his personal learning platform. He mastered new skills, built meaningful connections, and transformed his life. His story serves as a reminder. Knowledge is everywhere. You just have to know where to look. Now let's look at the moral lessons from Maxwell's journey. 1. Consistent learning leads to growth. Maxwell's progress shows that continuous learning, even through non-traditional methods like social media, can lead to mastery. 2. Turn challenges into opportunities. Instead of getting discouraged by distractions or doubts, Maxwell used them as motivation to improve his focus and discipline. 3. Sharing knowledge strengthens mastery. Teaching others what he learned helped Maxwell reinforce his skills and inspire others to grow. Dear friends, Maxwell's journey from struggle to mastery is an inspiration for anyone looking to improve their skills. If he could do it, so can you. Instead of letting social media be a distraction, turn it into your classroom. Follow educational accounts, engage with experts, and, most importantly, apply what you learn. Are you ready to use social media to transform your skills? I have the perfect book to guide you step by step from being a viewer to becoming an expert. This book will show you how to turn knowledge into real skills through YouTube tutorials. Click the first link in the description to download your copy. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Now let's look at these 5 vocabulary words and how to use them in a sentence. 1. Restructured. How to use restructured in a sentence. Example: Maxwell restructured his social media habits to focus on educational content. 2. Engaging. How to use engaging in a sentence. Example: the video was short, engaging, and filled with practical advice. 3. Reinforced. How to use reinforced in a sentence. Example: commenting and sharing what he learned reinforced Maxwell's understanding of new concepts. 4. Networking. How to use networking in a sentence. Example: he joined virtual networking events to connect with professionals. 5. Imposter syndrome. How to use imposter syndrome in a sentence. Example: Maxwell struggled with imposter syndrome, doubting his own skills despite his progress. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment on the moral lesson you learned from this video, and don't forget to click the first link in the description to download your book. This is a great way to support my work. See you in the next video.